We're going to do a super simple felt flower today to line the paths of our little mini play garden. You can get the shapes over on sweetbriersisters.com. To make the flower, you're just going to put a little bit of glue in the center of a flower shape, smush it together, put some glue on some of these little leaves, wrap them around, and that's it. You're just going to keep repeating that process over and over to make a bunch of these. And then I went ahead and made some without flowers as well, just some of the green kind of leaves just to put in between each of the flowers as I lined them up. And I just alternated flower, leaf, all the way along the path and glued them in place.